Good morning. My name is Kenil Rajaguru. I am teaching you English subject. So let's start. Till now we have seen till activity 2. So now we will start with the activity 3. The yellow butterfly. It is a story. So let's start. The yellow butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. So there was a yellow butterfly who flew around in the Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer and closer and still closer. But then, flew the butterfly. So now Sonu is trying to catch the butterfly. So he moved slowly towards the butterfly. He came closer and still closer. But butterfly flew. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew leaves. They floated in the water. So here they are talking about the white lotus. White lotus grew in the pond. They float in the water. So butterfly went and sat on it, on the floating leaf. Sonu went to splash into water and off flew the butterfly. So now butterfly again flew away. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a champak tree. It had white flowers. The butterfly sat on the pretty flowers. So first of all, butterfly goes to the rose, then to the lotus, now the white flower which is of champak tree. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Up and up he climbed. But back it flew down from the tree. So now Sonu started climbing the champak tree. He climbed up and up, but again butterfly flew. Sonu jumped down. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the champak tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. Once again, he saw the butterfly. So now Sonu lost the butterfly. He looked around and then again he saw the butterfly. So where is it now? In a spider web. There was a big web, a spider's web in guar tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It was eager to escape. It fluttered its wing. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Poor butterfly. So now butterfly is caught in the spider's web. It was eager to escape. Now the butterfly will try to escape. It got caught, but he failed. In the middle of the web was a big spider. It looked hungry. So there was a spider present there. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. So now black spider is going closer and closer to the butterfly. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he finally caught the butterfly. So now Sonu has the butterfly. He tried it everywhere, but then he lost and again he found in the spider's web. Now he has in his hand. It was so pretty. It had brown spot on its yellow wings. So the butterfly has brown spot on his yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly. But it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. So the butterfly, he looked sad. It looked sad. Sonu wanted it to be happy. So Sonu freed it. Go, said Sonu, fly away. He let the butterfly go. He went and sat on the red rose. It flew to the champak tree and then it went to the lotus leaf. Sonu smiled as he saw the butterfly flew merrily from flower to flower. So now again the butterfly has freedom. So he flew from flower to flower again. So what we have learned here? Never catch anyone. Never try to catch anyone. Everyone likes the freedom. Don't take away the freedom. Whoever it is, either animal or insects. Never. Activity 4. Answer the following question. Number 1. Where did Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? So where did the Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? You have to write the answer. Number 2. Name the place where butterfly rested. So where the butterfly rested? You have to give the answer. 3. Why did Sonu chase the butterfly? 4. From where did Sonu catch the butterfly? 5. Why did Sonu let the butterfly go? So you have to answer the following questions by it yourself. I will share the PDF, but first of all you have to try it yourself. B. Match the following. So you have to now match the following. Here are some expressions. Match the correct option. So now you have to match. Number 1. It sailed from flower to flower. Who sailed from flower to flower? Butterfly. Butterfly was going flower to flower, na? Number 2. There was a white lotus in it. Who had white lotus? Pond. Remember I told you the white lotus grew up in the pond. Number 3. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. So who was trying to catch the butterfly? Sonu. Sonu was trying to catch the butterfly. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. Okay? Number 4. It was hungry. Who was hungry? Remember that big spider? He was hungry. So answer will be spider. So we are keeping it till here. So that's all for today. Thank you.